Hi guys, today I have the Inventor mini infrared remote control helicopter. It flies up to 26 to 32 feet and is for ages 14 and up. So as you could see over here, it lights up, has a remote control. You could use it indoors and outdoors. And you could recharge it as well. You need 4 AA batteries, which are not included. And you should stay at least 20 feet apart when playing with multiple helicopters. So I have more than one of these, and what happened was when I was using one remote, 2 of the helicopters were working. So you have to make sure that if you have more than one helicopter, you should stay at least 20 feet apart when you're playing with them. So I'm gonna unbox this now. So let me just get this off. So here is our Inventor helicopter. And in case you're wondering, I put another light to make it brighter, and in the back you could see its shadow, which is kind of cool. So there's a little bit of an imperfection on this helicopter, as you could see over here, which is not a good thing. I hope it functions properly. A little on and off button. It lights up when you turn it on. I'll just show it up close. And then right over here we have our remote. So I'm gonna actually show me putting the batteries in this time, because last year I even got an Inventor helicopter and it was kind of confusing to use and set up and charge and everything. So I'm gonna show that. So over here I have my screwdriver. Take it out. And then we need to insert 4 AA batteries.